Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about prostate cancer, a common health concern for men. Prostate cancer, a disease that originates in the prostate gland. A serious health problem that impacts millions of men globally is prostate cancer. But why does prostate cancer strike men? We'll go into great detail about the reasons, risk factors, and protective measures in today's video. Watch this space for additional information. Today, we'll explore the factors that contribute to this common but complex disease affecting men worldwide. While we can't pinpoint a single cause, we'll dive into the risk factors and potential triggers that scientists have identified. What is the prostate? Let's begin with the fundamentals. The prostate is a little walnut-shaped gland that sits in front of the rectum and beneath the bladder. Because it produces the fluid that feeds and moves sperm, it is essential to the male reproductive system. What is prostate cancer? When cells in this gland start to grow out of control, prostate cancer develops. These cells have the potential to develop into tumors and occasionally spread to different bodily areas. Prostate cancer is incredibly common. Actually, behind skin cancer, it's the second most frequent cancer among men. Prostate cancer affects approximately 13 out of every 100 men at some point in their lives, according to the CDC. It's crucial to remember, though, that many men with prostate cancer have regular lives and frequently pass away for unrelated reasons. Let's talk about age, which is the biggest risk factor now. Older men are the primary victims of prostate cancer. Men over 65 are diagnosed with it 6 out of 10 times, and men under 50 are rarely affected. Though it is rare, it can happen to younger men as well, even those in their 30s and 40s. Prostate cell DNA mutations become more likely as we age, which may eventually result in the development of cancer. Because of this, as men age, routine screenings become increasingly important. Ethnicity and race are significant additional influences. Compared to men of other races, black men are more likely to develop prostate cancer. Not only do they have a higher risk of developing prostate cancer, but their disease tends to manifest in more aggressive forms. Though the exact causes are unknown, a mix of environmental and genetic variables are probably at play. Prostate cancer risk is significantly influenced by genetics. Prostate cancer is more common in men who have a family history of the condition. Your risk goes up if you had father or brother who had prostate cancer, particularly if they were diagnosed before turning 60. Remarkably, some genetic variants can also raise the risk of prostate cancer, including those in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. These are the identical genes linked to a higher risk of breast cancer in females. The risk of prostate cancer may be influenced by diet. Guys who eat a lot of animal fat, especially from red meat, may be at a higher risk of developing advanced prostate cancer. On the other hand, diets high in fruits, vegetables, and plant-based proteins might be protective. Additionally, an increased incidence of aggressive prostate cancer has been associated with obesity. Engaging in regular exercise may help reduce your risk. Studies have shown that a high calcium diet may raise the risk of prostate cancer, but lycopene-rich foods, including tomatoes, may offer some protection. Maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular physical activity can help lower the risk. Conversely, smoking has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer death and progression. Prostate cancer is somewhat influenced by hormones, especially androgens like testosterone. Elevated testosterone levels can either trigger dormant cancer cells or promote the growth of prostate cancer cells. Because of this hormonal relationship, lowering testosterone levels is a major goal of certain prostate cancer therapy. Although more research is needed to completely understand the role that hormone levels play in prostate cancer, it is obvious that they are important. Environmental factors, such as exposure to certain chemicals and pollutants, might also play a role. Certain occupations and environmental exposures may increase prostate cancer risk. For example, welders, battery manufacturers, rubber workers, and those frequently exposed to the metal cadmium seem to have a higher risk. However, more research is needed to fully understand these connections. What steps can you take, then, to lower your chance of prostate cancer? Digital rectal exams, DRE, and the prostate-specific antigen, PSA test are two essential screenings that you should never skip, especially if you're at a greater risk. Talk to your healthcare practitioner about the best time to begin screening in light of your risk factors. Lower risk can also be achieved by leading a healthy lifestyle, remaining informed, and being aware of your family's medical history. It is imperative to clarify certain myths as well. An active sexual life, vasectomy, masturbation, alcohol or tobacco usage, circumcision or infertility have not been linked to prostate cancer. Furthermore, the risk of prostate cancer is not elevated by an enlarged prostate, BPH. In conclusion, while we can't pinpoint a single cause of prostate cancer, we know that age, genetics, race, diet, and certain environmental factors all play a role. Understanding these risk factors can help men make informed decisions about screening and lifestyle choices. Remember, many prostate cancers grow slowly and may never cause problems. However, early detection through regular screenings can be crucial for those that do require treatment. If you're concerned about your risk, talk to your healthcare provider about when you should start prostate cancer screenings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Stay healthy and see you next time.